Do not share a video from YouTube in Microsoft Teams meetings using desktop sharing because there's a much better way, using something called Watch Together. And in today's hybrid working tip, I'll show you how, and I'll also show you how much better it is compared to sharing your desktop. Now, first off, I want to thank Ryan Bliss by pointing out this method on the Microsoft Mechanics channel in a previous video where I presented a few other options using PowerPoint and Microsoft Stream to get the video to run centrally. Now, the key here for video sharing is having the video stream from a central location, ideally as close to the viewer as possible, and with the minimum number of encoding and decoding steps in between. Now, it starts with running a meeting. You can see that I'm using the Teams desktop app here on the left with my account, and with Megan Bowen logged in via the browser in the same meeting on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, it starts in the meeting by adding an app, and you can either search here for YouTube, or in my case, since I already recently used it, I can see that it's in my recents. So I'll go ahead and select it. And this welcome screen basically lays out the how-to steps. You'll need your YouTube video's URL. You can either search for it or have it already in your clipboard, like I do in my case. And this really adds a meeting extension into Microsoft Teams, hence why we call it an app, that you'll see here once I hit save. Now, with the meeting extension loaded, you can either search for or paste in the YouTube URL. I'm going to go ahead and paste mine in. There we go. And now I just need to click Watch Together. And you'll see that the video is visible for me on the left and for Megan on the right. And the nice thing here is that as the sharer of the video, I can also control for myself as well as for my participants. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. And you'll see that in my case, the right side is about a second out of sync or so. But importantly, it's not losing any frames at all, and the motion is completely fluid. But it gets even better. So let's say I want to go to a specific spot in the video using the timeline or the forward or reverse controls in YouTube. Well, that works too. So participants can see that I've moved the playback up in this case. And you'll notice that after I do that and let the video run normally, both sides are aligned in terms of timing too. Then, when you're done sharing, you just need to hit the unshare button in the lower left-hand corner. Now, you might be thinking this seemed like a lot of upfront work to get this running compared to my usual desktop sharing, so how much worse can that method be? Well, let's test that method out. So here I'm in the same exact meeting with Megan, so my YouTube channel with the same video is at the same resolution. It's queued up, of course, on my other monitor, and of course it will also play smoothly on my end. Now I'll go ahead and hit play, and you can see that it's playing, and I measured this at exactly 5 frames per second. And by the way, this is a 60 frame per second video hosted on YouTube, so it's dropping 55 frames in this case, and I'm literally sharing this on the same PC to the same PC with about a 40 megabit up and 600 megabit down connection. Now, my participant as well as myself were both in the same geographic region as well. So you can imagine that this would get worse if, for example, Megan was on the other side of the world. So the big question is it worth doing all those additional steps up front to get the Watch Together mode working? Well, I really think it is. And also keep watching this space because I can imagine the Watch Together process getting even more streamlined in the future. By the way, if you're new to Microsoft Teams meetings, be sure to check out my recent beginners tutorial. And if you're sharing a video now from your local PC, Mac, or mobile device, not via YouTube, and you just can't figure out how to share its audio, check out this video. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like this tip. Subscribe if you want to get more tips like this and hybrid working advice or streaming device reviews. And as always, thanks so much for watching.